Saul over at Saul's Automotive, and today we're going to talk about the Chevy truck, one of the most reliable, basic, straightforward, and longest lasting vehicles that are still produced right here in America. Now, Chevy produces a fantastic vehicle. They have one of the most reliable V8 engines known as the LS that they've had in production now for many, many years. That's one of the most sought after racing application engines on the market. In the case of this '08 Chevy Silverado that we've got up in the rack today, when this vehicle came in at just under 60,000 miles, the engine was demolished. No one had changed the oil ever. Now I'm going to say that one more time. The engine did fail at 60,000 miles. However, when you consider that no oil was ever added or changed to the vehicle in that 9 years and 60,000 miles of service, it gets my applaud of approval in terms of longevity, perseverance, and durability. Unfortunately, we are here today to put a new motor in this vehicle. However, from our end, and thanks to General Motors support, we're able to offer a 3-year, 100,000-mile parts and labor guarantee on any General Motors motor or transmission we install. At the same time, the folks over at John Elway Chevy South Broadway have been kind enough to put us in their program to give us a little bit of a better price break that we can pass on to you to help you save a few dollars. They recognize that we're helping keep the cars on the road, and we recognize that we can help keep you rolling. From our end, if you've got a Chevy product that unfortunately is getting to that time of its life, they are often very times cost effective in terms of rebuild or repower. Many newer vehicles may cost $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 or more to repower an engine in. These engines can often be substantially less than that and carry a fantastic warranty. If you've got a concern about yours, or yours is simply at high mileage and you're looking to plan ahead because you don't plan on replacing, give us a call. Let's talk about it before it happens so that you can be prepared. Saul's Automotive is open 365 days a year, and we're here to answer your questions. 303-919-7769.